Hey crafty people, in this video we're going to be talking about abbreviation REP, which stands for repeat. Repeat can be used when describing a row of stitches. So for instance, in this row, I chain one, skip a single crochet into the next stitch, and I repeat that to the end of the row. This particular swatch, it's a tweed swatch, a tweed stitch swatch. I repeat 2 rows, so 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So REP, repeat, will be used when describing both a stitch or a line of stitches, a row, and how many rows you're repeating or which rows you're repeating. So repeat these 2 rows until you reach a certain length or until you hit a certain point, or repeat these 2 stitches until end of row. So that is REP, repeat.